Today I am reviewing the Roborock Saros 10R Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. One of the first things you'll notice about the Saros 10R is its ultra-slim design. At just 3.14 inches tall, it easily slides under beds, sofas, cabinets, and coffee tables, places where traditional bulky robot vacuums struggle to reach. This low profile is made possible by Roborock's innovative StarSight Autonomous System 2.0, which replaces the usual raised LDS sensor with advanced 3D sensing technology. That means it can map your home with incredible accuracy without sacrificing its sleek shape. The vacuum's navigation system is truly impressive. The VertiBeam lateral obstacle avoidance helps it glide effortlessly around furniture legs, cables, and other tricky obstacles. Thanks to enhanced algorithms, it recognizes and adapts to over 100 different types of obstacles. So whether you have rugs, furniture with unusual shapes, or cords lying around, the Saros 10R can clean around them seamlessly without getting stuck or tangled. Speaking of tangles, this model features zero-tangling duo divide, main brushes, and FlexiArm riser side brushes that ensure long pet hair, human hair, and debris don't get caught. Even the omnidirectional anti-tangle wheels help prevent hair wrap, which means less manual maintenance for you. This robot is designed to keep working smoothly with minimal intervention, making it ideal for pet owners and busy households. When it comes to cleaning power, the Saros 10R delivers with its industry-leading hyperforce suction system. It effortlessly picks up dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris on hardwood floors, tiles, and carpets alike. What's more, its FlexiArm riser technology allows the mop and side brushes to extend and reach corners and edges that many robots miss. This ensures a thorough clean, leaving no blind spots behind. One of the standout features is the AdaptiLift chassis, which gives the vacuum the ability to climb over obstacles up to 4 centimeters high. Think thresholds, thick rugs, or oddly shaped furniture legs. Plus, when it detects carpet, the dual spinning mops automatically lift to prevent wetting, ensuring your carpets stay dry and undamaged. Another game changer is the multi-functional dock 4.0. This all-in-one station doesn't just recharge the robot. It also handles automatic mop removal, hot water cleaning at 176 degrees Fahrenheit, and hot air drying at 131 degrees Fahrenheit to keep the mop fresh and ready. The dock can also empty the dust bin automatically for up to 60 days, refill the water tank, dispense detergent, and even perform a self-clean cycle. This means you can enjoy nearly hands-free cleaning for weeks at a time. On top of all that, the Saros 10R integrates smart features that make controlling and monitoring it effortless. The built-in Hello Rocky voice assistant lets you start cleaning or change settings using simple voice commands. No internet connection required. The Roborock app offers even more control, with customizable cleaning schedules, mapping, and no-go zones. One of the coolest perks for pet owners is the built-in RGB camera with two-way video calling. You can check in on your furry friends from anywhere, locate them quickly using the pet search feature, or even snap cute photos. This adds an extra layer of convenience and peace of mind, especially when you're away from home. In summary, the Roborock Saros 10R combines powerful suction, advanced navigation, anti-tangle technology, and innovative docking features to provide a comprehensive, hands-free cleaning experience. Its ultra-slim design and corner cleaning capabilities ensure no spot is missed, while smart integrations give you full control from your phone or by voice. If you want a smart vacuum that truly adapts to your home, handles pet hair effortlessly, and keeps itself clean, the Saros 10R is an outstanding choice for 2025 and beyond.